It's going to be a quick one today. We're on to expressions on our journey through REST by example. I'm Alex, and this is Code Along with Alex. Let's get into it. So, to start, let me do a little reading. So, a REST program is mostly made up of a series of expressions, and or statements, excuse me, and a few kinds of statements in REST. The most common two are declaring a variable binding and using a semicolon with an expression. So let me create a repo, or not a repo, a directory, and then a cargo project so we can do our work today. So make dir 07 expressions entered into it, cargo new, and we'll just call it expressions, cd expressions. Let's open the main.rs, replace the boilerplate. So to start, let's do a variable binding. That'll just be like, let x equals 5. And then an example of an expression would be like x semicolon, or x plus 1 semicolon, or even something like 15 semicolon. And so if you run this, I guess we can print out x. Oh, cargo run. It's fine, unused code, no worries. So yeah, x is 5, cool. Another way to structure your code is to use something called a block. They are expressions as well, and they can be used to assign, or can be used as values in assignments. Got my tongue tied today. The last expression in the block will be assigned to the place expression, such as a local variable. However, if the last expression of the block ends with a semicolon, the return value will be an empty parentheses. Okay, so let me just comment out this function. Write a new main function. Instantiate a new variable binding. Let x equals 5 of type unsigned integer 32. Let y equals, curly braces. Let x squared equals x times x. Let x cube equals x squared times x. And then this last value will be assigned to y. X cubed, keep trying to type that v, x cubed plus x squared plus x. Ooh. Okay. Then this gets a semicolon here. So that's y. Yeah, so that's like a logical chunk of work here. And then let z equals, we're going to do a similar thing, 2 times x semicolon. And this semicolon suppresses the expression, and this empty parentheses is assigned. Okay. So let's do some print statements to see what we got. Println, our old friend, x is debug format. Another friend, past, present, and future. I'm going to copy paste this line another 2 times so that, oops, just to save myself a little bit of time. Y Z. Save. Cargo run. Could not compile. It's a typo somewhere. Let's chill. Missing a semicolon. It's always a semicolon. Cargo run. Interesting. So X is 5, like we expected. Y is 155, which is 25 plus 125. So it's 150 plus 5 is 155. Okay. And then Z, some work is done, but then nothing is bound to it. What if I remove the semicolon here? And now Z, I would expect it to be 10. Yeah, okay. Nice. And with that, we end our journey into Rust expressions. So I just want to say thank you for participating in this kind of short session. But the Rust by example resource doesn't go too in depth with expressions. But on that note, thank you, and hope to see you next time. I'm Alex. This has been Code Along with Alex. Have a great day.